Gurudev only wants. Disciple tells that what service I can do. He will tell you, oh, Namami Nanda Nandanam, Namami Nanda Nandanam, Namami Nanda Nandanam, Namami Nanda Nandanam. Oh. Gurudev wants this thing, not money, not anything, no pratishtha, nothing. If he wants anything other than this, he is actually no guru, no bona fide guru. He is a businessman. We should not try to go to businessmen. We should go to Akinchan Deenhin Vaishnava Guru. Akinchan, you know. Only Krishna Prem he is dhan. Money is Krishna Prem. Nothing else.
Hari bol, 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 Gaur Nityananda bol, Hari bol, Hari bol, Gaur Nityananda.